Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to sell your home in any market, so stay tuned. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Gina Mondesir. I am a realtor in the South Florida market with Coldwell Banker Realty. And today I'm going to be giving you 5 tips to sell your home pretty quickly in any market. So let's just get into it. Tip number 1, declutter, depersonalize, and clean your house. Most of the time, the first impression is the only impression. I know in today's market, people are just putting offers on the table. It doesn't matter what it looks like, but that's not always the case. So most of the time the buyers want to, well, not most, all of the time the buyers want to come into the house and they want to see themselves in the house. And also cleaning your house is a big deal. You want to make sure that it's always smelling good, that it's spotless, and then you're taking away anything that's a distraction for the overall landscape of the house. People want to see themselves in your home, so it's important to declutter, depersonalize, and clean your house. Okay, moving on. Tip number 2. Price to sell. Pricing to sell will always get you more than one offer on the table. I know, again, in today's market, people are putting 10, 20 offers on one house and you're competing with everyone. However, it doesn't matter what market you're in, you always want to get more than one offer on the table, especially if you are trying to move somewhere quickly and net the most money into your pocket. You want to make sure that you're doing what's best for you, and part of that is pricing the house to sell. Tip number 3, take care of all small repairs. I personally don't want to see a broken window, a leaky faucet, or closet doors barely hanging on for dear life. It's important to take care of these small repairs, because if you're dealing with a buyer, especially a single woman with children, and maybe she doesn't have someone in the home, like a handyman or whatever, these are like stressful things that people do not want to take care of, especially moving into a brand new house and putting their money down. They want to make sure that at least for a good amount of time they are living stress-free, and part of that is your job to make sure that you take care of small repairs so they can live stress-free. Okay, yes, you will find some buyers that's willing to take it no matter what, but again, you just want to make sure that you're doing what you need to do so you could get where you need to go. That's important. Okay, moving on to tip number 4. Always be ready to show your home. Always be ready to show your home. Nothing kills a deal more faster. I don't even know if I'm saying that right. Nothing kills a deal more faster if you cannot show your home at any time of the day. If you only can show it on a Wednesday at 10 o'clock, that's not going to work. People are at work, okay? Maybe they need to show the house at 6 o'clock or 6:30 in the afternoon. It's important for you to have a lockbox on your house, so the buyer's agent to get into the property to show your home correctly, or you have a good representation so they can definitely help you have your house be more accessible to the person that wants to see your home. So always be ready to show. I know that was kind of like a ramble, but you get the gist, okay? And that brings me to tip number 5. Find the right real estate agent. Find the right real estate agent. The real estate agent is not only there to collect commissions on your home, right? they're not only there to do that or put your house on the MLS. The real estate agent is there to market your property. Yes, we get paid a fee, a very nice one, right? But market your home, because we are marketing specialists. The right real estate agent will make sure that they have the right eyeballs on the table. They're doing their due diligence in vetting the people that's coming into your home and the buyers, making sure that they can even purchase your home and letting everybody in the world know that your house is up for sale. That is their job. Okay, so finding the right real estate agent to represent you will make a big difference and also give you a better chance of selling your house very quickly versus you doing it on your own. If you don't believe me, do your research, ask Google. It's just facts. And also, if you're interested in selling your home, definitely contact my team if you're in the South Florida market. And if you're interested in making the South Florida move,